Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher Aarti Pathak. Let's begin our today's topic. Our topic is International System of Numeration. Let's begin. Children, you have already learned about the Indian system of numeration. Now let us understand the International System of Numeration. It has 3 periods and every period is having 3 places. Now understand what is the place value chart of the International System of Numeration. There are 3 periods. First period is known as ones period, second period is thousands period, third period is millions period. Every period contains 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. Second period is thousands. Again second period is having 3 places: 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Third period is millions. Millions period is again contains 3 places: million, 10 million and 100 million. Now what is the question? Where we can place the comma and how we can place these numbers in the place value chart. So we can understand by this example. Place 231,543,879 in place value chart. Insert commas and write in words. That means where we can place the comma and how we are writing in words. Let's understand it. First, see these numbers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digit number. We can separate them in the periods first. So first period contains 3 numbers. So 3 numbers in the ones period. Then again next period is thousands period. Thousand period again contains 3 places. So we can count 1, 2, 3 in the thousands period. And the next period is millions. So remaining 3 numbers should be in the millions period. Now we can separate every period by a comma. So between ones and thousands period we can place the first comma. Between thousand and the millions period we can place the second comma. Every period contains the 3 places. Every period contains the 3 places. Every period contains the 3 places. Now this will be in the millions period. This number should be in the thousands period and the last 879 is in the ones period. Now understand how we are writing its number name. First we are write the number name of the 231. So 231 is in the millions period. Then 543 is in the thousands period. Last 3 numbers will be in the ones period. 879. Now understand one more example. Now children, see this example number 2. Place 510,83345 in place value chart. Insert commas and write in words. First we are placing these numbers in the place value chart. Start always when you place the number in the place value chart, start writing from the right side. 5 at the ones place, 4 at the tens place, 3 at the hundreds place. Now this is the ones period. Ones period contains 3 places. Now the next fourth digit comes in the thousands period. So 3 at the thousands period, 8 at the 10,000 place, 0 at the 100,000 place. The remaining 2 digits are there that will come in the millions period. 1 at the million place and 5 at the 10 million place. Now the question, how we can insert the commas in the numbers. So there are 8 digit number. Let's see. Last 3 digit will be in the ones period. Next 3 digit will be in the thousands period. Last 2 digit will be in the millions period. So every period, every comma comes between the 2 periods. This is in the ones period. This is in the thousands period. So between ones and thousands period, first comma. Between thousand and the millions period, we can insert the second comma. Now how to write the number name? Let's see. 51 is in the millions period. 083 is in the thousands period. 345 is in the ones period. There are 3 periods. Every period is containing 3 places. Now let's see how we are writing its number name. 51 falls in the millions period. So 51 million. Now 083. At the hundreds place, no number is there, only 83 is there. So how we are writing? 83. 83 falls in which period? Thousands. So 83,000 and the remaining number is 345. Remaining number is 345. So we can simply write, it is in the ones period. So we simply write it down 345. At last, see, कैसे देखेंगे इसको हम? इसका नंबर नेम सबसे पहले आपने क्या देखा कि हमने यहाँ पे इसको कॉमास लगा दिया, दो पीरियड्स के बीच में फर्स्ट कॉमा, 1000 और मिलियंस के बीच में सेकंड कॉमा. अब इसका नंबर नेम लिखने के लिए देखिए 51 कौन से पीरियड में फॉल्स हो रहा है? मिलियंस में हो रहा है, तो 51 मिलियन हो गया. 083 दैट मीन्स ओनली सिंपल 83, तो 83 कौन से पीरियड में फॉल्स है? 1000 में, तो 83,000 हो गया. और लास्ट आपका वंस पीरियड है तो आपने सिंपली लिख दिया 345. 51,83,345. Now see some more examples. Children, just revise with more examples. You have seen here 3 examples. In the first example, there are 6 digits. So 3 digit will be in the ones period. Next 3 digit will be in the thousands. So we are placing only one comma between the ones and the thousands period. Number name is 623,400. See the second example. There are 7 digit. Last 3 digit falls in the ones period. Next 3 digit falls in the thousands period. And the last 1 digit falls in the millions period. We can place 2 commas in the answer. First comma and the second comma between the next 2 period. How we are writing the number name? 9,074,880. Last example, there are 9 digit number. Last 3 digit falls in the ones period. Next 3 digit falls in the thousands period. Last 3 digit falls in the millions period. There are 2 commas between ones and the thousands period. First comma, between 1000 and the millions period. Second comma. Number name is 505,109,000 only 3. I hope you all understood the international system of numeration and how placing the commas and how to write its number name. Do practice with other numbers. Bye bye. We will meet in the next maths class.